Hello everyone, this video is all about adding graphics to your LaTeX document, how to add a graphic without a caption, how to add a graphic with caption, adding two figures in your document, and adding sub-figures along with the main caption, and how to refer to your figure in your LaTeX document. Let's move back to the LaTeX text editor. Here is the text editor. First of all, the package you require is the graphics. You will ask LaTeX to use package graphics so that it recognizes all the figure formats. Either it's JPG, PNG or whatever. So to add a graphic into your document without having a caption and considered as text, you use the command include graphics. \include graphics is the command to add graphics to your document. Now, once you say \include graphics, you give the graphic name along with the format. In the square brackets, you give all the option what should be the width of your document. So this will appear in your document without a caption. Next is I want to caption my figure. How I'm going to caption my figure? That for that purpose, I need the figure environment. We will begin the figure environment \begin figure, and in square brackets, I will tell the LaTeX what the positioning of the figure will be. Either it's at the bottom of the page, at the top of the page, or it is placed right there where you ask LaTeX to place it. Then the centering will allow LaTeX to place your figure in the center of the line. Then you give the include graphics command and your graphic address. Then \caption, and in curly brackets you give the desired caption to your figure. And \label is for your referring document record in the document. So you label it accordingly, however you want to keep the record. Then you end the environment, and the output looks like this. This is the first output when we gave the simple \include graphics command, and when we use the figure environment, we have the ability to give caption to our figures. We want two side-by-side figures with a caption in it. So we will again use the figure environment, and we will position our graphics in our document. We want it to start from the center of the line and move along as we keep on adding our graphics. \include graphics, this is your first image you want to insert, and you will give the h-fill. As we are demonstrating here by adding two side-by-side figures, I want it to be placed apart from each other. If I don't give \h-fill command, the two graphics will be joined together, which don't look nice. And once we horizontal fill \h-fill, we give the other include graphics command. Then we caption it caption it as you desire and label it accordingly. And the figure environment, and your output of this environment will be like this. Here, if you can see section 1.2, this is your two figures side by side with one caption. Now I want to add sub-figures to my documents. How I'm going to do that? For adding sub-figures to your documents, first you require a package called subcaption. The subcaption package allows you to caption each sub-figure one by one. So first of all, you start with the begin figure environment. You open up the figure environment. You give the placement position. Then for the first graphic, you want to caption it and consider it as sub-figure. You are required to open up the begin sub-figure environment. Again, the position of your figure where you want to place it, and the 0.4 line width. This is the of your sub-figure. Then include graphics command to add your sub-figure, and the width you want to give it. Backslash caption is the command to give the caption to your subfigure and label your subfigure so that you can refer your subfigure from the this environment. Then backslash begin subfigure hfill for the next, since I'm adding 4 to it, so I want 4 figures which are placed apart from it. So every time I want to place apart 2 figures, I will give it backslash hfill command, again a begin subfigure environment. So I want 2 pictures in one row. So to end the row, I'll go give the double backslash command to go to the next line and again start with the begin subfigure environment. So again, the same environment with the same caption for my document, hfill, and the fourth figure of this environment. Now I want this to be captioned on the whole. Caption I want to give is subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. And I will label this backslash label. So these are our 4 uh, picture environment with each picture given its own caption and the main caption to our figure environment. This is how you add subfigures to your LaTeX document. Now next thing I want to share with you guys is that how to refer to your figures in text. So to refer to a figure in a text, use the command backslash ref and it will open up this dialog box where you have all the record of your figure. I simply want to add a figure here, click it, insert, and your figure will be referred in the text. Also, I want to refer to a subfigure in my document. What I will do, same backslash ref and the label of the subfigure you have given. This is your own personal record and you know it what is the label of your subfigure. Simply click that and insert that to your document and it will be referred in the text. This is your figure 3A, the subfigure, and this is your main figure. Thank you so much for watching.